All right, hello everybody. We are back taking a look at our book again. On that page six, we're going to take a look at that and try to do some examples. And let's do these together here. So we're down here in unit or this activity number one. We're going to match the statement and the response. So this is one person and respond. For example, up here, number one, I didn't take a vacation this year, right? So no vacation this year. So we can see that person agrees with A, right? Neither did I. Means I also did not take a vacation. All right, and then we have number two, I want to visit Europe next year. So let's take a look at our answer pool here. What do you think that is? So do I. Neither can I. So I want to visit Europe next year. I think it's going to be A. 나도. I also want to visit Europe next year. Number three, he doesn't want to go sailing. He doesn't want to go sailing. What's our best answer here? I do. Really? I'm not. So did I? Or neither can I. He doesn't want to go sailing. So that person is going to disagree with, oh, I do. I do want to go sailing. He doesn't, but I do. Number four, I'm planning to go sightseeing. Sightseeing. Remember sightseeing? 여기저기로 가요, right? We look at beautiful sights and areas in that city. So I'm planning to go sightseeing. Okay, what's our possible answer here? Really, I'm not. So did I? Or neither can I. So planning to go means in the future. So I think this person is disagreeing. Really, I'm not planning to go sightseeing. Sightseeing 싫어요. Number five, I can't wait for the trip. Can't wait. What does that mean? 기대된다, right? I'm really excited, looking forward to. I can't wait for the trip, right? So can't, negative. Now what's our two possible answers here? So did I? That's past tense. No, neither can I, which means I also cannot wait. I am also very excited. So obviously number six, we went horseback riding. 아 진짜? 나도. So did I. All right, let's check those. Yep, looks good there. Let's move on down to the next one, activity two. I want to travel to different countries, many different countries I want to go to. What do you think this person said? Dang, dang, it's the best thing to do. I'm going to say, so do I, right? I also want to travel. I want to travel to different countries. So do I. It's the best thing to do. Number two, I'm not going to the beach this year. I'm not going. This person says, Momo, I'm going to the mountains. So this person is also not going. So negative and also not going. Agree with the negative is what? Neither am I. I am also not going to the mountains. And then the next one here, number three, I I went to the Grand Canyon on vacation. Oh, you're so lucky, right? That person is jealous. Right? I'm so jealous of you. You're so lucky. So what do you think? This person did not go, right? So really, I didn't go. I am so jealous, right? And so think of ways that you can ask this question to people and use this responses. Remember the responses up here, very, very common, very short, very easy to use in your conversation. So am I, so was I, so do I, so did I. All of those are really, really common. Neither do I is also very, very common. So try to use those in your conversation. And very quickly, let's take a look at some pronunciation practice because in English, this is very important when we use our pronunciation, our intonation, our energy in our speaking. It really kind of gives more meaning to what we are saying. So, for example, number one, I was at the beach yesterday, says my friend. If I also was there, so was I. That's how we say it. It really goes up. So was I. We don't say, so was I. 말고 재미없어요. Right? 심심해요. So was I. It's really, really common. I was at the beach yesterday. 아, 진짜, so was I. Number two, I like to go swimming. Really? right? And then this is the opposite. Really? 정말? I don't. It goes down. Really? I don't. Negative, right? So positive and negative. So this one up here we can see is positive. That's negative, right? Let's take a look at another one. Ted can't play the guitar. Well, Sarah can. That also goes up in intonation, right? It's going to go up. Well, Sarah can. So we have this positive, positive goes up. I don't have a car. Neither do I. Can you hear that goes down? Neither do I. Neither do I. So we have up here, let's go ahead and erase this junk. Let's practice that one more time. Very, very common. So positive, agree, right? So was I. Negative, really? I don't. Positive, well, Sarah can. And negative, neither do I. Right? So positive and negative if you're agreeing with what that person says. So just remember that when you're having conversation, and we will have conversation in the future eventually. So please remember your intonation, and you can ask each other these questions in your video recording or in your discussion. Just communicate with each other. You know, what did you do on vacation? You can agree, oh, so did I, or neither did I, or no, I didn't. You can disagree with them as well. So just remember that when we're having conversation. And that's going to be basically it for the book right now. We're not going to go any further in that book today. So please review this information. Remember, you will have the quiz. We are going to talk a little bit about your discussion workbook and some recommendations for that homework, because we will begin the discussion workbook this week. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video there, and we will talk about the discussion workbook in the next video.